What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 410 Life and Travel. In this episode, we got some tow hooks. That's right. Like I said, we're getting a little more into the off-road game. I guess you can call me a poser. I don't know. I off-road for work more than anything. And yeah, we got some Royal Hook red tow hooks. I thought the red would match well with obviously the rapid red of the 22 Ford Raptor. And let's get the unboxing done and then get these installed. Not sure how long this episode is going to be, but let's get into it. All right, guys. Well, before we get the total unboxing, I just sliced it open, obviously. But if this happens to be your first time here, do me a favor. Make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. It does help the channel out. I hope you guys are enjoying all the Raptor content along with the other stuff that's on the channel. If you're not new here, thank you for returning. And let's go. So we're going to cover this up a little bit. You see, priority, got my address and everything on there. But Royal Hooks Off-Road, got the red. And that's the part number if you happen to like these. Let's get these unboxed. Oh yeah, I forgot. I did get a free tow strap. Apparently, I think it's like 12,000 pound capacity. That was a free gift with the purchase. So we'll toss that to the side. Let's see here. Packaging seems pretty decent. Ooh, look at that. That is beefy. It's a nice looking tow hook there. I know, really, it's a tow hook. Getting excited over a tow hook, but it looks good. I think it's going to look great. Looks better than just the normal rounded U black tow hooks. So let's get the other one undone and we'll get these installed. Now, I believe there is no hardware with these. Use the same bolts that come with the factory hooks. So let's get these outside and get these installed. Okay, so here is the tow hook. There's this little rubber flat thing, plastic thing up here that we're going to remove to get to the bolts easier. And then we should be able to go underneath and get to the bolts and then get this bolt here. Here we go. I apologize for the wind. It's pretty windy today. That takes a little wiggling. Oh yeah, there's a couple. There's clips. Okay, I see it now. There's a clip on there holding it in. By the way, there was no instructions with the hooks, so we're doing this blind, but we did watch some online videos. Well, an online video. Okay, I'm gonna bring you in a little closer here so you can see this. See up under there? Here and here are two little clips you have to pry down, then slide this off. All right, here's the cover. Now, one bolt here, one bolt in the back, and we should be good. Probably have to go get a ratchet. Okay, we're gonna go with the 5/8 ratcheting wrench, but a 16mm bolt will also fit here. Now we're gonna start with the back one. You don't have to fully take out the back one because this is gonna have a slot in it that we can pop down and slide out. Okay, so we did switch to the socket. It did make it a little bit easier. All right, and there's the bolt we're going to use for the next tow hook. But I stand corrected. Do the front one first. It'll make it easier getting access to the back one. All right, here we go. See, it's got the notches in it. Just fell right out. So now, time to put the new one in. Okay, just to keep you guys in the loop, I put the first bolt back in because there is a lock washer nut at the top to hold the bolt in, to loosen the back bolt up a little bit, because this is clearly thicker than the stock tow hook. So that's what we're doing right now. It's up through it, slide. Boom. Okay, I don't know if you can see that under there, but the bolt is now in. What we're gonna do is line this up, get that tight a little bit, and then get the second bolt in. All right, now it's not going anywhere. Time to get number 2 done. All right, guys, sorry about the wind again, but to spare you watching me do the other side, just mirror what I did on the first side and get the other side done. And that'll be that. Again, I want to appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you like the content. Sorry about the background noise with the tractor. Make sure you like, subscribe, the whole deal. Leave me a comment, questions, I'll answer them all. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next episode.